Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to set up voicemail in iPhone. If you're using any iPhone and you want to set up your own voicemail on your iPhone, so let's see how we can do that. Now to do that, you have to simply go for settings first, go for general, go for software update, and you have to make sure that you haven't any software update or if your iOS is up to date. After doing that, you have to simply go back from here, open your this phone app, and here you have to look up for this voicemail option. Or if you can't find it here, so there's a simple way. You just have to tap on this recent option here, then tap on these three horizontal lines in the top right corner. Select that, and from here you have to select this unfill. If you have selected this one, so you will be unable to find the option of voicemail here. If you can't find the voicemail here option, so you must have to tap on the three horizontal lines. And here you have to select classic, and once I selected classic, you will get the voicemail option. So here's the difference. If you don't have any voicemail option here, so it might be that you have selected this option. You must have to select the classic option. And after that, you will get the voicemail option here. Simply tap on voicemail in the bottom right corner. Then tap on this greetings in the top right corner. And here you must have to select this custom option. And then tap on this record option. And after that, you must have to record any voicemail which you want. Once you have done, just tap on this stop option. And then tap on done in the top right corner, and your voicemail is set up. So in this way, you can easily set up your own voicemail in your iPhone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.